4 folds, 3 colors, and 18 ways to maximize surface area. Welcome to today's video, guys. I'm going to be opening a brand new bag of microfiber cleaning towels. And I'm going to show you how to color coordinate your cleaning, and I'm going to show you how to fold each towel to maximize your cleaning surface area. So be sure to stay towards the end, because that's when we're going to be showing you the complete details. Notice the 4 colors that we have here: green, yellow, red or orange, I'm going to call it red, and gray. Now we are going to be using each towel specifically for a purpose with its marked color. Green will be used in common areas for general dusting, table, chairs. And then we have yellow, which will be used for bathroom countertops only. Red, only for toilets. And this one will leave up to you. You mark it however you'd like. I like to use red for the toilet. It's just a visual reminder that red, stop, toilet. Now that we have our color coordinations agreed upon, or at least agreed upon by me, you change them however you'd like. Okay, so folding the green one, which we use for the common area, for desks and chairs, things like that. We fold it in a specific manner to get the maximum cleaning surface per each towel. So we'll do this one, lay it out nice and flat. Oh, there's a little piece of lint. Okay, fold this toilet towel into a third, fold it again into another third, into another third, and to another third. So the toilet towel now is complete. So we've got the green, the red, and now the yellow. Show you one more time for the third towel. Into a third, into a third, into a third, into a third. Now we have all 3 towels ready to go. 1, 2, 3. Now that we have our towels folded and color coordinated, I can now show you the proper way to clean. Left to right, or your left and my right, either way. Back and forth, okay? You got some dirty spot here now. So we just fold the towel over on top of that dirty spot, and we have a clean area to clean on now. Back and forth, left, right. Okay. Now let's say you used up all the available area on that, which there should be 9 spots on there. You flip the towel over, and then you just fold it again like we did at the beginning. And now you have 9 other spots to clean on the same towel. So you have 18 different areas per towel to clean. And then when you're all done with all 18 areas, I wash them out every single day so they're nice and clean. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If this video was of any value to you, please like and subscribe. Thanks, and have a good day.